Hello, I am so excited to dive in and talk all about emotional freedom techniques, also known as tapping, because it's an amazing and powerful modality that allows you to take control of your results. It allows you to get in such an aligned and such an at peace state. And I'm excited to dive in and talk about what it all encompasses. So, what is EFT? This is a question that I get so often. EFT is an amazing energy protection modality. It's a technique for anxiety release. It's a tool that helps you to release stress, and it's a tool you can use to create a rapid shift in the way that you feel. It's actually loosely based on acupuncture, but instead of having to use like different needles and points, EFT leverages that with just the power of your fingertips, which makes it that much more profound. So, with EFT, it is so special because it's an alternative to traditional treatment for healing pain and emotional distress. This modality is based on acupuncture and thought field therapy, and Gary Craig was the founder. He came up with EFT because he had this crazy idea, what we thought was crazy at the time, that we could release negative emotions based on understanding our body's energetic points and our body's energy system. EFT focuses on different meridian points inside of your body, also known as hotspots, that allow you to restore the balance to your body's energy. Essentially, our body, if it has a disruption in the flow of energy, it is going to manifest as stress, anxiety, dis-ease, also known as disease, or sickness. And tapping with different fingertips on your meridian points is believed to release the blockage that energetic flow has and allows you to get back into a more aligned state. There's a ton of scientific research around the power of EFT and the results that it actually provides. So a question that I often get is, when should I be using EFT? There's so many different ways in which you can use EFT. You can use EFT if you're running into anxiety, anger, sadness, stress, guilt. You can use EFT to release limiting beliefs. You can leverage EFT if you want to sleep better, if you're feeling dis-ease in your body, like physical sickness, if you notice yourself feeling procrastinated and wanting to move into more of a motivated state. You can use it to balance your energy and to feel like just more at peace. You can use it if you're moving into a new opportunity and you're feeling that fear come up. And you can use it as part of your routine to help ground yourself. That's something that I do every day, and it is a non-negotiable once I was able to see the power of EFT. So how EFT works is, if you think of like an old school TV set, some of you may be too young to remember this, but I remember when I was really young, my grandma had one. And if you just mess with the antennas just a tad, just a little bit, what would happen was it would actually cause the screen to like fizzle out. It would cause the screen to be disrupted, the picture to be disrupted on the screen. That's the same thing with our body. When we have a disruption in our body's energy system, we need to basically adjust the antenna to be able to get back into an aligned state. And that's what EFT helps with. So again, energy, stress, anxiety, and limiting beliefs are some of those biggest strategies that we're trying to fix those antenna around to be able to create a clear picture, or AKA a more energetic aligned state. The benefits of EFT is that it's easily accessible, meaning it can be done anywhere, anytime. Literally, all you need is your fingers and to be able to tune into that emotion, into that state, into that feeling. It creates an instant shift in your energy, in your mood. Literally, just a few rounds, you'll notice your energy changing, your mood changing, your emotions changing. It's not time consuming, so you don't have to schedule an appointment and go somewhere. You don't have to carve out 2 hours a day to do it. You can do it in as little as 5 to 10 minutes a day. It can be used with specific emotions and intent toward challenges that are coming up for you, and to replace that with the things that you want to call into your life. And the most impactful piece of EFT is that it allows you to take the healing back into your own hands. You don't have to wait for someone to support you with creating that healing that you desire. So when do you need to tap? So ask yourself, is there a statement, a feeling, a situation, or something coming up that is creating an emotional charge for you? If so, maybe you're feeling stressed, angry, sad, or hurt about it. Maybe it's something you read, maybe it's something that you saw, maybe it's something that you're feeling. If so, that's a good statement for you to tap on, because it's showing you where you're out of alignment and where you can bring yourself back into an aligned energetic state. It shows you where there needs to be some change work taking place to create that healing that you desire and deserve. So what I'm going to show you is two graphics that explain EFT and the meridian points. So again, I mentioned the meridian points that we have on our body. We have the top of our head, top of our eyebrow, side of our eye. Well, you actually start with the side of your hand, okay? That's your setup point. Then we go to the top of your head, top of your eyebrow, side of your eyebrow, under your eyes, under your nose, your chin, your collarbone, and then where you would find like your bra strap, essentially underneath your bra strap. And the really cool thing about these meridian points is they're all associated with different organs, important and vital organs inside of our body. So for example, the top of your head is related to the governing vessel. And then the top of your eyebrow is related to the bladder meridian. The side of your eye is all about the gallbladder meridian. Your bra strap is all about the spleen meridian. Your collarbone is about the kidney meridian. So again, this is why you can see that EFT is so profound and so powerful as it relates to creating and allowing for healing inside of these different organs, as well as how it allows you to move past dis-ease, what we know as disease. And so with EFT tapping, you can use it personally, or I myself as a coach love to use it as well. And so let's talk about how you could even weave it into your coaching practice. You could start your coaching sessions as a great way to ground your clients and get them into an energetic state. You could even end your coaching sessions with an EFT tapping session to help them lock in their intentions. You can use EFT and pre-record it and send that video to your client to have them listen to in between sessions. You can sell it alone as like a standalone or like a bundle. Like, for example, I have Tapping into Abundance. It's a 3-day Tapping into Abundance bundle. And then you can add it as a bonus. It is such a powerful tool, and I hate that people overlook it because it's so life-changing. EFT not only supports you at making changes within your life, but if you weave it into the work that you do as a coach, it gives your clients an actionable tool and strategy that they can use anytime, anywhere to shift their mood, to balance their energy, and to get in alignment. So if you're looking for the tools and strategies to be able to weave tapping into the work that you do as a coach, I teach that inside of my Elevate Method Coaching Certification Program. And here you'd be certified with EFT as well as 6 other modalities: hypnotherapy, human design, life and success coaching, neuro-linguistic programming, my proprietary Elevate process, and time techniques. And combined, these 7 modalities help you to not only elevate your life, your mind, and your success. I am teaching you how to leverage EFT in a way that helps you to make profound shifts in a way that happens quick, goes deeper, happens faster, as I mentioned, and has such a profound and long-term impact on the work that you do, as well as the work in your own life. So if you are ready to step into that next level, join us inside of the Elevate Method at the link NicoliaWilliams.com/elevate. And I can't wait to see you there.